Okay, take two, because we got Gobby cunts on in the background. Welcome to the circus. Okay, welcome to the circus. I rang up the courts this morning. They confirmed it was 1100 hours on the phone this morning. I've got a court ordered in my home, confirmed it was 1100 this morning. When I rocked up to the circus today, also known as Merthyr Magistrates, they said, oh no, it's 1000. And we literally rocked up. The only reason that I was here early this morning is because one of the cars broke down. So I had to hitchhike a lift off somebody on social media, and one of the girls gave me a lift up here, and they could only bring me up an hour early. So we was here an hour early, and lucky it was, because I rocked up at 58 minutes to. Okay? So we asked, what was his name? The judge? District Judge Thomas, also known as Clown Man. We made that gentleman aware, sir, I cannot pay this council tax because of the affidavit to Dr. Francis Boyle, the cardiotoxicity reports, the emergency writ, the affidavit to truth. He would not allow me to submit anything. Sirs, ma'ams, ladies and gentlemen. He would not allow me to submit anything. So ultimately he granted the liability order, right? Now, recently, I've had a repossession order given, or it was issued to a bailiff company because I paid my mortgage with a promissory note. To summarise, the banks claimed that I didn't, and my legal team, because I lost the receipt, so I couldn't prove that it actually got to its final destination. I lost the receipt, but my legal team were able to find it, what trust it was sold to. I don't know a lot about trust law, but I know that my mortgage is now being paid because obviously promissory note is legal tender, and if they've sold my promissory note on, they must have received it. So the bailiffs recently turned down. They basically said they can't come to my house because my Mackenzie friend threatened to arrest the judge, and my conduct on social media, I've been saying that I will use reasonable, proportionate and necessary force. So I don't know why this district judge thinks that the bailiffs are going to come to my house for £1,000 when they won't come to my house for £40,000. Unfortunately, sirs, ma'ams, I was hoping to get some case law. The reason that I'm hoping to get case law is not to save me some money, it's to save my community money, okay? That didn't happen today because, well, as I've already said, the judge wouldn't accept nothing. He wouldn't allow us to submit the affidavit to Dr. Francis Boyle, the emergency writ, the cardiotoxicity reports, nothing. So, to that end, what are we going to do? Well, if every community had an individual in it, like myself, I won't only stop bailiffs coming to my home. If a bailiff turns up in my community and tries to repossess anything from any individual, I would be there, and my community members know this. I would go there, I would challenge the bailiffs or the police, there and then, straight away. Sirs, ma'ams, we need more men in our communities. We need more people to start realising their rights. Now again, they issued the liability order today, something that's not lawful since 2003, I believe. But he issued the liability order, and I said to him, I said, sir, if you issue that and you don't digest this, you will be complicit in treason and fraud. And once again, he got up and he ran away because he is a coward, because he is a chicken shit. Okay? We need to start realising our rights. We need to start conducting ourselves like fucking men, right? Who the fuck do these guys think they are? They think that I've got to pay council tax when they are poisoning my community. Are you fucking high? Are you on drugs, you cunt? No, I will not. And I tell you something now, so loads of people, thank you for everybody that come to support us today. Loads of people turned up at 1100. Everybody. There was only 3 people, as I've said. Only 3 of us went in it today. Guys, lots of stories from individuals today. I mean, it's out there. It's everywhere in the public domain. People are doing it. We just need more men in the communities. We need more people to start realizing their fucking rights. I don't know what else to say, guys. I didn't get the case law, but what are they going to do? If any bailiff, and I said to the judge, if them bailiffs come to my house and they're unable to read anything that you were not reading today, sir, I said they will be arrested. That was literally just before he granted it and ran away. Sirs, ma'ams, please start knowing your fucking rights. Stop funding terrorism. Big love.